In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add and remove from the cart in Pandabuy. Type the name of the product in the field and press enter. Now choose the product which you want to add in the cart. Now choose the color and quantity of the product. Now read the guidelines and check the agree checkbox button. Now click on add to cart button. Now click on the cart button in the right panel. As you can see, the product has been added into the cart successfully. Now to delete the product from the cart, you have to click on the delete button in the action menu and press on the confirm button. In this way, the product will remove from the cart, and in this way you can add and remove the product from the cart in Pandabuy.